Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the LyfeFuel. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Their chocolate vegan protein shake right here, their fudgy brown meal replacements right here, and the vanilla vegan protein shake in the center right here. All three of these products get amazing customer ratings. People really love them. The chocolate vegan protein shake is packed with non-GMO pea protein, quinoa, and brown rice protein. The protein bars are low in sugar, full of superfood ingredients that you can taste and feel. They're packed with 21 essential vitamins and minerals, 11 grams of vegan protein. There's no artificial flavors, stevia-free, low in sugar, and no sugar alcohols. The vanilla shake right here is packed with non-GMO pea, quinoa, and brown rice protein. All of these products, you can rest assured, because they are manufactured in a GMP-certified facility and they undergo rigorous testing for purity and safety. And again, they're free from artificial sweeteners, preservatives, gluten, and are suitable for individuals with dietary sensitivities. So I've had these products before. They're really amazing. A lot of times these shakes are pretty healthy. A lot of times these shakes don't taste that good, and that's not the case with these. All three of these products taste delicious. So you could just see what you're getting here. We're going to open this up. We're going to make some of this with some water, make some of this with some water. Then we're going to open this up and show you what the texture looks like. But I can't go into too much medical details, but you could see on the back here the massive amount of vitamins and protein and low carb that's in here and low calorie. So look at the listing, but it's pretty amazing. The amino acid profile is extremely impressive. And that goes for this one also. If you look at the back, go look at the listing, you could just see what is in this. It's really amazing. And that's what you're getting when you buy these powders. You're getting a high quality meal replacement shake or performance shake, or a high quality meal replacement bar. They're just really, really delicious, and you're going to love them. So I'm going to open these up and I'm going to show you what they look like. We're going to try them. So the first thing we're going to try is the essential bars, the Fudgy Brownie, individually wrapped, as you can see. They have the health information right on there, so you could re-see it again if you like. And the box has an opening that you can keep it stored in your cupboard like that. Let's take a look here. So it definitely looks like a fudgy. If you look at that texture right there, and you see how fudge brownies have this unique quality because they're really dense with chocolate. So they have this, I can't describe what it is, but it's a chewiness that's built in. So let's open this up, let's take a look. You can see the texture right inside there. Now let's try it. Absolutely delicious. I love the texture. Very good. Now we're going to try the performance shake, the chocolate one. I opened it up. I want to show you what it looks like. And there should be a scoop in there, but you can see it's a real fine powder. Here I have a glass ready, and I have one scoop. And you want to put this in 10 to 12 ounces of water. Now it's a fine powder, so it'll drop around. You have to clean it off your counter, but that's what allows this to work and to mix quite quickly. Now we're just going to mix this, and this is about 60-degree water. I don't have any ice in here. I could add ice later. And there it is, all mixed up right there. We can give it a try. So it's very thick like a delicious chocolate shake you'd expect. And again, you could put other ingredients in it. You can make a smoothie, you can put fruit in there or vegetables, anything you want to change the flavor if you don't want the chocolate flavor or you want chocolate with other flavors. But it tastes delicious, and you just know you're drinking something that's really nutritious. Very thick and delicious. Now let's try the Daily Essential Shake, and you can see right in it what it looks like. There's a scoop in there, and it's all powder. Here we're going to put 1 scoop with the same amount of water. And we're going to stir it up. And there it is, all stirred up. Let's give it a try. It's delicious. It's not as thick as the chocolate one, but it has a very good vanilla flavor to it. Very delicious. Wow, I like it. So after testing, what do I think about the LyfeFuel brand, their chocolate vegan protein shake, the Fudgy Brownie meal replacement bars, and the vanilla protein shake? All 3 of these products are excellent. I absolutely love them, and I think you will also. I'm going to give all 3 of these products a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.